If your chess rating is stuck between 500 and 600, you are past the beginning stage, but you are not playing real chess yet either. In this video, you will learn the core chess principles that beginners often don't understand. Chapter number 1: Consistent Thinking. Principle number 1: Follow the same thinking process every move. Use the same checklist before every move. Don't switch between random and careful thinking. Build a habit of structured decision making. Consistency reduces mistakes over time. Good habits matter more than brilliant ideas. Principle number 2: Always check opponent's threat first. Start every move by asking what is being attacked. Look at their last move carefully. Identify threats to your king and pieces. This habit should become automatic. Preventing threats is easier than fixing them. Principle number 3: Think 2 moves ahead. Visualize your move, opponent reply, your response. It helps avoid simple traps. Improves your understanding of position. Don't go too deep, just keep it simple. This is your first step toward calculation. Principle number 4: Don't play instantly. Even obvious moves deserve a quick check. Fast moves often hide mistakes. Take a few seconds to scan the board. Calm thinking improves accuracy. It builds patience in every position. Chapter number 2: Cleaner Development. Principle number 5: Finish development before middle game. Bring all pieces into the game early. Avoid starting attacks with undeveloped pieces. Development gives flexibility and options. A fully developed position is easier to play. Don't rip pieces on starting squares. Principle number 6: Connect your rooks every game. Clear pieces between your rooks. Rooks should defend each other. Connected rooks are more powerful. This usually happens after development plus castling. It prepares you for the middle game. Principle number 7: Don't block your own pieces. Avoid placing pieces in each other's way. Pawns can block bishops easily. Pieces need space to move freely. Bad placement reduces activity. Always think about piece coordination. Principle number 8: Put pieces on active squares. Active pieces control more squares. Take great threats and pressures. Avoid passive or defensive placement. Look for squares where pieces have influence. Activity is often more important than material. Chapter number 3: Reducing mistakes further. Principle number 9: Blunder check twice in critical position, especially before captures or big decision. Look carefully for hidden threats. Double check can prevent game losing mistakes. Critical moments require extra attention. One mistake can undo everything. Principle number 10: Don't assume opponent will miss moves. Always expect the best move from opponent. Don't rely on tricks or hope. Respect every possible response. Overconfidence leads to blunders. Solid play is more reliable. Principle number 11: Watch for hidden attacks. Not all threats are obvious. Look for discovered attacks and double attacks. Check wrong range pieces like bishops and rooks. Pay attention to undefended pieces. Train yourself to scan the whole board. Principle number 12: Be careful with loose pieces. Loose means unprotected pieces. These are easy targets for tactics. Try to keep pieces defended. Loose pieces often lead to forks and attacks. Strong positions have well-protected pieces. Chapter number 4: Smarter Captures and Trades. Principle number 13: Don't capture automatically. Capturing is not always the best move. Ask what changes after this capture. Consider opponent's reply. Some captures open dangerous lines. Think before taking. Principle number 14: Recapture with the light piece. Choose the best piece to take back. Consider position, not just material. Sometimes pawn recapture is better. Sometimes piece activity matters more. Think long term, not just immediate gain. Principle number 15. Avoid helping your opponent. Some trades improve their position. Don't open lines for their pieces. Avoid activating their bad pieces. Think from opponent's perspective. Don't make their game easier. Principle number 16. Simplify only when it helps you. Simplifying reduces complexity. Good when you are winning, bad when you need the chances. Don't trade without purpose. Always evaluate the resulting position. Chapter number 5. Better piece understanding. Principle number 17. Knights are strong in close position. Close position have many pawns blocking lines. Knights can jump over pieces. They become very powerful in tight spaces. Place them near the center. Avoid trading strong knights unnecessarily. Principle number 18. Bishops are strong in open position. Open position have fewer pawns. Bishops can use wrong diagonals. They control large parts of the board. Keep diagonals open for bishops. Active bishops can dominate the game. Principle number 19. Rooks need open files. Rooks are strongest on open files. Close position limit their power. Place rooks where pawns are not blocking. Open files are pressure on opponent. Activate rooks early in mid-game. Chapter number 6. Safer king play. Principle number 20. Don't delay cashing. King safety is still critical. Early cashing reduces risks. It keeps king away from center attacks. It also activates the rook. Delaying cashing invites danger. Principle number 21. Don't open your king for no reason. Pawn moves near king create weaknesses. These weaknesses can be attacked later. Avoid unnecessary pawn pushes. Safety first, then attack. Principle number 22. Watch for back rank weaknesses. Last rank can become a trap. King may have no escape squares. Opponent rooks can deliver checkmate. Always give king a small escape square. Simple but very common mistake in beginner level. Chapter number 7. Game stability. Principle number 23. Play solid moves when unsure. If you don't see a good move, play safe. It avoids unnecessary risks. It improves your position slowly. Solid moves keep control of the game. Stability wins games. Principle number 24. Avoid overcomplicating position. Complicated position increase mistakes. Keep the game simple when possible, especially useful when ahead. Peer positions are easier to handle. Control is more important than chaos. Principle number 25. Consistency wins games. You don't need brilliant moves. Avoiding mistakes is enough. Play solid chess every move. Improvement comes from consistency. Small advantages add up over time. Now you have reached the 600 level. But this is where most players get stuck. At this stage, improvement isn't about running more. It's about playing with discipline, structure, and consistency in every move. Click the video on your left to continue your journey. I'll see you in the next episode.